In this part of the presentation, I'll show you how to create a basic master keying system. To start with, click the New button on the top toolbar here. This opens the Create System window. Tabs across the top here make it easy to customize or create your systems. We'll start with the lock manufacturer, and we're going to choose Schlage for this example. You notice it puts in the small pin, large pin, safety factor, this information automatically. Now this list is fully customizable by you. You can add locks to it if you want to, or you can change what information comes up here, or you can change it as you go. The next field would be the job description here, and we'll just enter web test for now, and the date's already in there for you automatically, so we'll jump to the master key field. Let's enter 38350. Now if you notice, there's a check button to the side of the master key field here. You can click it to check things like make sure your master key doesn't violate the safety factor you have set, or that it doesn't exceed your large pin or small pin. So we'll go ahead and check our master key. It's okay. Now basically that's all we need to create a system. You could come up here, click the Save button, and you're done. But I like to take it one step further, and I'll show you here with this Customize tab. Click on here, and let me just briefly explain what you can do here. You have a rotation order. You can change the way it rotates, bow to tip, tip to bow. You can change that up here, or you can scramble these up just by jumping in here, typing, and you're done. Down below here you'll notice that we have the key bitting array. For those of you that have done a system by hand, you're pretty familiar with this, but in this, the way it's set up now, the first key would be a 10112, and then you'd go on to a 50112, and so on, which in other words gives you all high cuts on your key and is not a very good looking key. So you can control a little bit how you start by changing things around in their columns of the key bitting array. Now I've simplified this by adding two scramble buttons over here. So I like to click button 1 and click button 2. Now if you notice, it's changed your key bitting array around for you, and your first key would be a 52176, then a 12176, and so on. So it just gives you a little better place to start. It's simple and easy, two buttons, and you're done. Then you can jump up here, click the Save button. The name we used for a description is asking if we want to use it for file name, and that's fine. So we'll go ahead and click Save, and we're done.